Hello, good morning. Today we are going to learn how to make an automation workflow from Google Sheet to Pinterest using Zapier. On Google Sheet, you will need to create 5 columns entitled the title column, the description, the link, the cover image URL, and the target board of the Pinterest. And on Zapier, so there is a workflow here already created. So we just click on the new spreadsheet row, and we on this bar here for spreadsheet, you click on the Pinterest pins where your Google Sheet is created. So I use the Pinterest pins here, and on the worksheet, what is the name or title of the worksheet, which is pins, and then we click on continue. So there you will be triggered a new record, and it will be configured here on this page here, and you only need to look for the latest record. So this is the spreadsheet row, so click on that and test if it's successful. So it is successful. We have the title, the description, link, cover image URL, and the target board. And then we click on continue with selected board. And the action event, we just need to click on the created pin, and the account is on Min-C7, which is my account on Pinterest. And then we click on continue. So there you go. The link, the image of the URL, all you have to do is just click on this plus sign here, and you click on the image URL, which is this one here. So you just click on that, and it will place on this image bar here. Now for the link, the same goes with the link. You click on the plus sign and look for the link. You click on that, and it will appear on this bar. And then the title, the same goes with the title, and same goes with the description. All you have to do is just click on this bar here from the left side to place it on the right hand bars. And then after that is done, we just click on continue, and it will process the pins. So to see if it is successfully processed, we just click on the retest step, and a notification like this will appear here. A pin was sent to Pinterest about 10 seconds ago. So this will be notified by the Zapier to you if the pins are successfully posted on Pinterest. So you go to Pinterest and check if it is successfully posted. So from here, from my franchise Fun Cafe, so the pin has been successfully posted, which is this one. So I got a doubled post here, so I just need to delete the other one, which I just made right now. So I just delete it first. And so that's it. That's how you make a workflow from Zapier, from using Google Sheet on Zapier to Pinterest. Okay, so take note that everything has been successfully posted, and you can do another one by posting another title, description, link, cover image URL, and target board on the Google Sheet. And the process repeats itself. Thank you.